Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make it in a ghost costume using Fimo polymer clay. So let's get started. First take the white color and mold it into a ball shape. We are going to roll the ball to shape it into a ghost. Next, I roll some white clay, separate it with my needle tool into two parts and mold them to make the ears. You can roll white clay, cut it and make the arms. Since it's already autumn, I thought it would be nice for a cat to hold a cup and be ready to drink some tea. So I made a tiny purple cup for our cat in a ghost costume. We are going to assemble the parts that we made, starting with the hands and cup and at least the cat's ears. Next we are going to make a face. I started with the black eyes and the white glint in the eyes and secured them on. You can make mouth out of the black clay, shape two thin rolled parts of clay into a U shape and place them below the eyes next to each other. I made a small brown triangle shaped nose and placed it on the top of a mouth. If you want your cat to look even cuter, you can make cheeks by rolling two small balls out of the pink clay and secure them on. At the end of my sculpting, I decided to make the edges of a girl's costume a little bit wider, so I shaped them that way. You can bake the finished figurine in your oven according to your package's instructions. After the baking, I added 3 layers of Fimo gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. This is how my finished cat in a ghost costume looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!